Meaning of fluency.
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 Fluency. Fluency refers to the ability to express oneself in a smooth, effortless, and natural manner in a given language. It involves not only the mastery of grammar and vocabulary but also the ability to speak or write in a way that is easily understood by others. Fluent speakers are able to communicate effectively without hesitation, repetition, or correction. Fluency is an essential skill for effective communication in both personal and professional settings, and it can be developed through practice, exposure, and immersion in the language.